Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಎ ವಾಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ₹720. A shopkeeper incurs a loss of 33.33%. Find the cost price of the watch for the shopkeeper. Selling price of watch 720, right? 720. Incurs loss 33.33 per approximately 1/3. 1/3. 1 loss 3 ನೋಡಿ, ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ 3, 1 loss 3 minus 1 2, SP value 2. SP value ಎಷ್ಟು? 2 parts value 720. Find the cost price. Cost price parts ಎಷ್ಟು? 3 parts. 1 so 2 3 so 360 into 3. 360 into 3, 303, 3 into 6 18, 1 carry, 3 into 3 9, 9 plus 1 10, 1080. Cost price of watch 1080. Option B right answer.